GPAT, that is Graduate Pharmacy Aptitude Test. It is only a entrance test which will be held every year by NBEMS. Currently, it is held by NBMS, that is National Board of Examinations in Medical Science. Okay, so just it is an entrance test. You will not secure any job or any placement based on this exam. Okay, so just an entrance test. So first examination of GPAT, Graduate Pharmacy Aptitude Test. It was held in the year 2010. Okay, it was conducted by All India Council for Technical Education (AICTE) in the year 2010 to 2018. Now it was handed over to National Testing Agency in 2019 due to some issues of conducting national test to National Testing Agency 2019 that is NTA. Okay. Now in present times, the graduate aptitude for GPAT test, it is conducted by NBEMS, National Board of Examinations in Medical Science, on behalf of Pharmacy Council of India. Now you should understand that the head controller of all the pharmaceutical education in India is Pharmacy Council of India. So according to them, most of the syllabus or syllabi in the country are designed for pharmacy education, in bachelor's also, master's also. Only a few institutes like our NIPER institutes have self-designed syllabus. Apart from PCI, they have some self-designed syllabus. Otherwise, this Pharmacy Council of India (PCI) it will design a whole syllabus for pharmaceutical education and also entrance test or competitive exams like GPAT. Okay. Now, what is the purpose of GPAT? Why is GPAT conducted? GPAT is conducted basically to test your eligibility or test your knowledge which you have gained in the 4 years of your bachelor degree. Okay, so the basic purpose is determination of eligibility of the candidates for admission to masters, that is M Pharma program in Indian government colleges, universities or institutes. Basically for the government institute, so that there is a particular quota of seats. So when you excel or secure the particular marks in the GPAT, there is a cutoff for the category wise, or we can say category wise. So there is a cutoff. So here the testing agency, they will test your eligibility to GPAT test. It is conducted by NBEMS, National Board of Examinations in Medical Science, on behalf of Pharmacy Council of India. Now you should understand that the head controller of all the pharmaceutical education in India is Pharmacy Council of India. So according to them, most of the syllabus or syllabi in the country are designed for pharmacy education. In bachelor's also, Graduate Pharmacy Aptitude Test. Type is computer based test. Okay, so it is a CBT. You just have to click one of the 4 options which you feel correct of the given options. Okay, so the administration, as I said, it is by National Board of Examinations, that is NBMS, on behalf of Pharmacy Council of India. Now, what are the skills required? Skills means basically on which subjects you should be well versed. So these are the subjects: pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmaceutics, pharmacology, pharmacology. Out of these, pharmaceutical chemistry and pharmaceutics are the most important topics in GPAT, because half of the marking system is based on these 2 subjects. Okay. So now, what is the purpose? Again, admission to MPharm. Your minutes, 3 hours will be given to you. 125 questions will be there. 4 marks for each. You will be granted 4 marks for a correct answer, -1, that is negative marking for each incorrect answer. Okay. So the score range is between 0 to 500. When you minutes, 3 hours will be given to you. 125 questions will be. The score validity is 3 years. Up to 2028, they may produce this certificate in any of the institutions they want to join for master program. Test is offered once a year, that is conducted in English language only. There are no any other options. The fee for this examination is 3,500 or 2,500 according to website gpat.nta.nic. There you can see the marking distribution of the examination. Most how to study for this, these are the 7 types or how you can study here. 7 points you can remember while you study for GPAT or any other NIPER also. You need to study about pharmaceutical chemistry, or what key points you need to keep in mind is that any of the reference books which you need to refer, Morrison Boyd for organic chemistry, U Satyanarayan for biochemistry, these all are very good books you need to refer. Now for Sutix, Martin is there for all the pharmaceutical concept. For industrial pharmacy purpose, or as I said, you need to focus on tablets and capsules. This Lachman is a very good book. Okay. For Coology, Rang and Dell, most of the questions are directly line to line copied from this Rang and Dell. If you try to browse over last few year question paper, you will find each and every question. Some of the questions are put line to line from this rank and then. If you need to be have a good grasp on the what we can say, the classification of the drugs, then KD Tripathi is a very well book. Okay. For pharmacology, the Kokate is there. Practical pharmacology, that if you need to know about the microscopic techniques, then Practical Pharmacology by Khandelwal is a good book. Okay. For microbiology, Anant Narayan. For pathophysiology, Harsh Mohan. And biopharmaceutics and pharmacokinetics, Brahmankar, well-known book. Okay, here I've written why to be a NIPER. So, what are the advantages when you take admission in any of the NIPERs? Okay. What is NIPER? It is National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research. Okay. So basically, it is a research-oriented institute. Wherever you go, there are 7 NIPERs. I will show you after this slide. These are the 7 NIPERs. What are those? Mohali, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad. Okay. Raebareli is there. NIPER Guwahati. Okay. NIPER Kolkata and NIPER Raebareli. So I have written here a NIPER family. So these 7 NIPERs are there, situated all over India. Written here boons of NIPER. Now, what are boons of NIPER? Self-designed syllabus. So NIPER doesn't rely on any other institution or any other facility to design its syllabus. It has its own design syllabus. So what is a paper pattern? The syllabus is same as that for GPAT. Additionally, you should pursue general knowledge, because there are 2 types of sections in NIPER exam, NIPER entrance test, non-pharma and pharma section. So non-pharma section, it tests your general knowledge and reasoning abilities. Okay. Section A is about general English aptitude, reasoning and general knowledge. Section B is totally about the pharmaceutical knowledge you have. Okay. These are the average packages in NIPERs. Like NIPER Mohali, it is 6.05 LPA, lakhs per annum. NIPER Hyderabad, it is 6.2. So this is the list of average packages which are annually, which the students get in prestigious companies. And so these are the companies, like doctor companies, which you will be approached by, and interview and all that group discussion will be held. So this was all about the GPAT and NIPER. Hope you get some knowledge about this. Thank you all. Okay.
Thank you, sir, for taking such an enlightening session. I guess everyone, your strategies will be helpful to the students.
Okay, thank you.
We extend my thanks on behalf of our team.